Hurry, brother. We may get a piece of the chisel and be gone before they even notice. Uh-oh.
Yeah. Boy. Surrender. The All-Father demands it. No. Good. This fight is mine, boy. Go.
And where do you think you're going? Oh no, brother. The little freak's got a bow. What are we gonna do? It's not like yours, brother.
Don't tell me what to do. Finally, a challenge. Lead there! Fucking freaks. I can't remember the last time we faced an actual challenge.
You call this a challenge? An old man and his stillborn. What's wrong with you?
To repose the might of
You've got some fire. I feel bad for you.
Stay behind me, boy. Why do you hunt us? What does Odin want?
Don't care. Half-breed.
Shut up! Don't call me that!
Those skinny logs can barely flow.
I said shut up!
Calm yourself.
Looks like they need it.
More than happy to teach them. Let's see how good you are with that bow after I break all your fingers. Scrawny. I bet Daddy's embarrassed to have to drag it.
Shut it out. Focus.
Don't think we've forgotten. You jealous?
I welcome this challenge. Stop! Don't give up! Oh, there, bleed there.
mother ugly or something? She cut up your face so you'd look like her.
Don't talk about my mother!
Don't listen to him, lad. Trying to rile you up. Sons of Thor are welcome to try.
Head!
Sorry, overstepped, yeah?
Your carcass to us, an asshole. Crawl, asshole. It was some. It's a little run, boy.
Boy, stay focused.
Okay, brother.
Your mommy not gonna eat you.
Atreus!
Gotcha, you Let's go. Mommy boy. Oh, that must have been some war to lay with the likes of him.
I'll kill you!
Control yourself!
Magni! No! How did you... You have no idea what... You son of a bitch!
No! Get this gun! I'll rip your head off!
Sickness. Fever has returned.
No! It hasn't.
Roy,
The coughing, the blood. The boy's sick, he needs Freya.
No!
steady.
I'll be all right.
There you go, lad.
I'm fine, see?
We should keep an eye on it.
Enough?
Should do. With that, we can carve the travel rune to Jotunheim. Get you where you need to go. Oh, incidentally, all those magically sealed doors we've seen can now be unlocked. Like that one round the corner. You can get through that door there now that you got the chisel.
You killed Magni.
That he did.
You killed him.
Minor Acer, perhaps. Aye.
And his father's Thor.
Not minor. Not minor at all, him. This will not go over well in Asgard.
I defended us. Nothing more. I fear no judgment.
Judgment, no. If vengeance is any concern.
Since when can you kill a god?
Just make sure you watch each other's backs in the storeroom. Wouldn't want to lose my loyal customers. What can I do for you two?